Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can delete your JustMarkets account. So guys, basically there are not meta directly you can delete the account, but you have the option for you. If I go to setting, as you can see here guys, it didn't see any option to delete your account. But guys, I check on the support team and I give me some information to how to delete your account. So guys, what you have to do, all you have to do guys, go to this articles. As you can see here, I found this account archiving roles for meta for account guys, real account, you will be account no trading activity account, you will be deleted automatically on then 19 days. So guys, no open trade, so then account zero balance. So guys, make sure your account have a zero balance and don't log in your account on this period and you will be already deleted directly automatically. So guys, this is for meta 4 and this is from meta 5 for real account, then 2 month. So guys, make sure you have zero balance and will be not log in your account then 2 months ago and you will be closed automatically without any problems. This is for any activated account. So guys, if you have any problem, you can reach the support team and make sure you don't have any amount on your account, and then you will account delete successfully without any problems. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.